Welcome to our channel. We will talk about how you can use natural methods to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a common condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Lower blood pressure naturally. Herbs and natural methods for high blood pressure. 1. Garlic. First up, we have garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments. It's also been shown to have blood pressure lowering effects. Studies have found that garlic can help to relax blood vessels and increase the production of nitric oxide, which helps to dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. 2. Hibiscus tea. Next up, we have hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea has been shown to have blood pressure lowering effects in people with mild hypertension. It works by blocking the action of an enzyme that constricts blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. 3. Hawthorn. Another herb that can help to lower blood pressure is hawthorn. Hawthorn is a traditional herb that has been used for centuries to treat cardiovascular conditions. It has been shown to have blood pressure lowering effects in some studies. 4. Olive leaf. Olive leaf extract is another herb that has been shown to have blood pressure lowering effects. It works by relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. 5. Ginger. Finally, ginger is another herb that can help to lower blood pressure. Ginger works by blocking the action of an enzyme that constricts blood vessels. In addition to these herbs, there are several natural methods that can help to lower blood pressure, such as exercise, diet, stress reduction, and weight loss. It's important to remember that natural methods may not work for everyone, and they should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment. If you have high blood pressure, it's important to work with your healthcare provider to develop a treatment plan that's right for you. Thank you for watching and join us again next time for more health and wellness tips.